In Nyamira County. What we are saying is this: the young people have come up in large numbers, and this government has to take this seriously. Kwa sababu these people are not just addressing youth issues, but issues concerning Kenyans at large. So we are urging this government, listen to these youths keenly, because you're not just coming to the streets to be seen. We are addressing issues that are concerning us, concerning the common mwananchi, concerning the taxes, because sisi hatujakataa kulipa taxes. Tunataka kulipa taxes na tujue hizi taxes zinafanya nini. Tunataka hizi issues zetu zikuwe considered. Youth empowerment hakuna. Vijana wetu wako hawana kazi, walimaliza shule kitambo. So we are urging our government, tunaambia President Ruto consider hizi vitu. Na hii finance bill itatumiza.
Asante sana.
Asante. Sawa, kwa majina ni hapa ni Sinduki.
Ongeza sauti kidogo, naona umekuja hapa na
kwa majina ni hapa ni Sinduki. Leo tulikuwa maandamano hapa Nyamira. Mambo ya sisi wana Nyamira tunakataa Jerusa aende nyumbani mapema na Joyce Nyamoko aende nyumbani. Kama Nyamoko na yeye Joyce Nyamoko aende nyumbani. Sisi wana Nyamira tunaumia kama sisi wana vijana wadogo tunajivunia.
Asante sana. Umeweza kusema calm down. Thank you. Introduce yourself.
I'm Kinaro Shadrack. I'm the youth leader in Nyamira. So in Nyamira, we are not demonstrating so that we can appear on TikTok. We are not demonstrating so that we can record in our phones. We are simply demonstrating because President William Ruto is taking our dignity to good services. President Ruto is adding taxes, and these taxes are ensuring that our economy is limping, because on his plan to ensure that the tax reaches 22% by 2027, it will cripple down private businesses, because personally I'm running a posho mill in Erite, and in that posho mill it uses a diesel, and the diesel price has been hiked, so I'm working there without getting any profit. That is the reason I'm here striking, so that President Ruto will ease and reduce the taxes on diesel, on parts, and also ensure that Gen Z look upon and they are empowered, and that Gen Z businesses are not subjected to high taxes. That when we start our businesses, we are given a leeway of doing our businesses, so that we can catch up and get up and start running as our millennials.
Thank you so much.